Well, good Friday afternoon. This is Rich, and the markets closed the week without much action in most of the markets. We did see some big selling in Kansas City wheat this week. That market was down 20 cents on the December contract due to improved weather conditions in the southern plains. Got a little rain in many areas. The cattle market much firmer, strength in basis levels out in the western belt. Also news that Japan would be buying some heavier weighted cattle. Certainly was supportive here to the nearby futures contract. The cotton and rice markets both got took on some pretty good selling this week. Apparently the flooding that helped rally the rice market last week, apparently that's subsided now and not a big issue, and so we've seen some of the premium come out of that market here this week. Overall, the funds this week kind of a mixed bag. Through Tuesday night, they were net buyers of corn, cotton, gold, and copper, while they were net sellers of soybeans, wheat, crude oil, cattle, hogs, and natural gas last week. So kind of pick your poison. Looked like a lot of spread trading taking place, getting out of some certain spreads. Maybe some bearish factors in soybeans led to some selling in beans, buying in corn, that kind of a spread type trade, but otherwise not a lot of activity. South America maybe a little bit bearish for the bean market. We've had pretty good weather in South America up till now. Brazil off to a pretty good start. There's been some talk about maybe edging up some of the production estimates down there. This coming Wednesday morning, November 9th, we'll get the November crop report from USDA, and be curious to see what kind of numbers we get there. Of course, the trade not expecting any big changes, maybe some tweaking to the yields, and also maybe some tweaking to some of the demand numbers. So again, that report will be out at 7:30 Wednesday, and we'll be all anxious to see those numbers. Hope everyone has a good weekend. We'll talk to you next week.